Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add time tracking to your Monday.com board. First, open the board where you want to track time. Click the plus button on the right side of your column headers, then on the search bar, look for time tracking and select it once it appears. Once the time tracking column is added, each item will have a play or pause button. Click play to start timing, pause to stop, or manually add a session via the cell menu. To change how time is displayed, click the three-dot menu on the time tracking column header. Go to Settings, then Customize Time Tracking Column, and toggle off Show Seconds if you prefer minutes only. You can also view a detailed history of each time log. Click on a cell in the time tracking column to open the log. Edit entries manually. They turn red when changed, and delete entries if needed. And that's how you add a time tracking column in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.